Hi everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you my favorite recipe, which is chocolate waffles. They are super simple and easy to make. You can enjoy them with breakfast or even as fun dessert. So let's get started. To a bowl, add 1 cup of all-purpose flour or maida, 1 tablespoon corn flour, half teaspoon baking powder, quarter teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon cocoa powder. Mix all the dry ingredients and keep it aside. Now we will prep our wet ingredients. In another bowl, we will break 2 eggs. We'll use 1 egg yolk and 2 egg whites. Add 1 tablespoon sugar to the egg yolk. 1 cup whole milk. Whole milk provides richest flavor and texture. Half teaspoon vanilla essence. Whisk it all together. Next, mix all the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients. Add 1 tablespoon vegetable oil. Whisk it until you get nice and smooth mixture. Now we will whisk this 2 egg whites separately and fold them slowly into the mixture. Preheat the waffle maker and brush it with melted butter. Fill the cavity of the waffle maker with the batter. Cook the waffle for 3 to 4 minutes on each side until steaming and darker brown in color. Once it is done, remove and place on a wire rack to cool down. The outside should be firm and crispy when tapped. Next, we will top it up with some chocolate syrup, some choco chips, a scoop of vanilla ice cream, and some colorful sprinkles. If you like this recipe, please give it a like and subscribe.